Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue 14.3 exercise. So I am doing example number 8 here. So in this particular sum, the median of the data is 525. We have to find the value of x and y. So we will continue with the same method as we had done earlier. First of all, we will calculate cumulative frequency. Here total of the data is 100. Cumulative frequency 2 will come to 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus x, 7 plus x, 7 plus 12, 19 plus x, 19 at 17, 36 plus x, 36 plus 20, 56 plus x, 56 plus x plus y. So it comes out to be 65 plus x plus y. 65 plus is 7, 72, 72 plus 1, 76 plus x plus y. So our first step to, because already median is given to you, so you will go with your first step, that is median. We have to calculate cumulative frequency. So I have kept 2 as 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus x, 7 plus x plus 12, 19 plus x, 19 plus 17, 36 plus x, 36 plus 20, 56 plus x, 56 plus x plus y, 56 plus x plus y, 56 plus 9, 65 plus x plus y, 65 plus 7, 72 plus x plus y, 72 plus 4, 76 plus x plus y. So because this sum is always same, so 76 plus x plus y equal to 100. So x plus y comes out to be 24. Right? So first step is we calculated cumulative frequency, then we make this sum and this sum is always same, total always same. So that is why I made this equal to this. So I have got x plus y equal to 24. This is the first equation. Then we go with the second step of the median, as you know already, n by 2th term. So this is 100 by 2, that is 50th term. But here with the help of 50th term you cannot calculate the value of x. So for that median is given to you. So median is 525. Since median is 525, so it shows that median lies in the class interval 500 to 600. Since median equal to 525, therefore median lies in the class interval 500 to 600. So here lower limit is 500, f here is 20, CF here is 30 plus x, H here is 600 minus 500, that is 100, n by 2 you already calculated, that is 50. Again see how you have to do. First you calculate the here median of the data is given 525. You have to find the value of x and y. So 2 will come to 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus x, 7 plus 12, 19 plus x, 19 plus 17, 36 plus x, 36 plus 20, 56 plus x, 56 plus x plus y, 56 plus 6, 65 plus x plus y, 65 plus 7, 72 plus x plus y, 72 plus 4, 76 plus x plus y. So 76 plus x plus y equal to 100. So x plus y comes out to be 100 minus 76, that is 24. So you know our second step is median. Median equal to n by 2th term. So here number of terms are 100. So 100 by 2, 50th term. But with the help of this 50th term you cannot calculate the class interval. Yeah, you cannot find the median class interval. For that you have to see the median. Value of median is given 525. So naturally median, if its value is 525, it will lie in the class interval 500 to 600. So here L is 500, H is 100, F is 20, CF पिछले क्लास इंटरवल का लेते हैं, that is 36 plus x, and n by 2 you already calculated 50. So now what we will do, we will apply the formula of median to solve it further. So here median has formula L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So median we are having 525. L we calculated 500. N by 2 I calculated 50. CF I calculated 36 plus X. Over F I calculated 20. H we calculated 100. So 25, so 525 minus 500. Most of the children done the mistake here. They don't change the sign of this. So that is why they are not getting correct answer. So this is 50 minus 36 minus x into 5. So this is 25. So this 5 will come in the denominator. This is 14 minus x. So 14 minus x equal to 5. So x will come out to be 14 minus 5. X comes out to be 9. Similarly y 24 minus x हो जाएगा, x की वैल्यू डाल दो, so it will come out to be 50. So x is 9 here, y is 15 here, right? So for if median is given, you have to calculate the value of x and y. Your first step is to calculate the cumulative frequency. Then sum of all cumulative frequency equal to the sum of all frequencies, that is 76 plus x plus y equal to 100. So x plus y 24. Median होता है n by 2th term. Total 100 थी, 100 by 2 it will be equal to 50th term. Since median already given है 525, तो उससे पता चल जाता है it will lie in which class interval, that is 500 to 600. From there we calculated the value of L. F was 20, CF पिछले class interval का लेना था, that is 36 plus x. H is already 100, 100 का gap है इसके बीच में, and n by 2 you already calculated, that is 50. So we put the value here, substitute the value here, L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Median is 525, L is 500, n by 2 is 50, CF is 36 plus x. Over F is 20 and H is 100. So cutting करके 5 आ गया, 50 minus 36 minus x. 525 minus 500, 25. 5 इधर आके divide हो गया. So x comes out to be 9. तो y आ जाएगा 24 minus 9. That comes out to be 15. So this is how you can calculate the value of x and y. This is how, children, we have to solve second sum of exercise 14.3. That is the homework for you. Thank you. We will continue.